Hey guys, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm here to talk about weight loss. Spring is here, the weather is warming up, although it's not today, it's actually snowing here today. But most of us are starting to think about, bikini season and getting into that bikini. So I have some awesome tips that I'm going to share with you today, and they are my 3 great tips for losing weight and keeping it off. After college, I put on about 30 or 40 pounds. To be honest, I don't really even know because I didn't dare weigh myself. But I lost that over a period of a couple years. It took a while, but I've successfully kept it off for 15 years. So these are my tips, and you're gonna have to be patient. It's not a quick fix, but it's just a great way to help you lose weight quickly. So my first tip, of course, is eating right. To me, that makes the biggest difference. I've seen people work out like crazy, but they eat like crap and they never lose weight. I noticed for me right away, if I started eating better, I tended to lose the pounds whether or not I was working out. Not that I'm saying don't work out, but eating right is the biggest difference. For me, obviously I want to choose lots of whole fruits and veggies. I'm actually vegetarian now, but I wasn't at the time when I lost weight. But I did start eating just, better, less, and I limited the sugar and the fatty foods and kind of ate more of a plant-based diet anyway. I didn't ever eat a whole lot of meat. Like I switched to fish at that time, but now I don't even eat that. So just tried to stay away from fatty foods. It's very simple. We all know how to eat healthy, so you just have to be determined and do it. I've just recently tried the KaChava Tribal Superfood, and it is a low-calorie meal replacement meal, and it is amazing. It comes in chocolate and vanilla, and I have the chocolate here today. And this is just a really great meal replacement that I love to drink in the mornings, but it makes a great meal for any time of the day. If you're leaving, like if you got to run for lunch, this is also a great meal to use for that. It's very low calorie, it's very high protein to keep you fuller longer. And the amazing thing is it has 70 superfoods. You can go to the trouble to make green smoothies, but this already has like everything in it, and it tastes amazing. I've been super impressed because for years I've been doing a smoothie for breakfast, and it's a lot of work, and it's really hard to make sure that they actually taste good when you're putting in kale and spinach and chia seeds and flax seeds and all of these, many different things. The fact that they put 70 superfoods in this one drink is amazing, and it also is high in fiber, very low in sugar, and it actually uses stevia. So I love that, but it tastes really great. So I've been super impressed with the KaChava. In fact, they have 17 greens and veggies in this delicious drink as well, and then antioxidants from fruit too. So super amazing. Be sure to check them out. It's KaChava. And then for lunch, I usually try to eat a salad, and for a snack later, I'll do like a hummus and crackers. And then I kind of splurge a little bit on dinner, but still obviously keeping healthy. And I do allow myself for one sweet treat a day, so like a little piece of dark chocolate or something, because I've tried to cut out sugar, and that was a mistake. I ended up binging after a couple weeks of not having it. So you just got to kind of find what works for you, but the biggest key obviously is portion control. I mean, you can eat a lot of good healthy foods and not have to worry about portions so much, but when you are, divulging a little bit, be sure to keep your portions in check, and that's one of the biggest things that I've noticed. Number 2, of course, is exercise. Find something that you really like. I'm not the biggest exercise fan. To me, I'm kind of more of a couch potato. That's my personality. I have a hard time getting up and moving. So find something you really love to do. For me, it's yoga, and I do like just cycling on a stationary bike. I also like Pilates. So I do those. I've tried lots of other things over the years. I like to experiment, but those are the ones I come back to because they're the ones that I actually can motivate myself to do. And my biggest tip for exercising is do it first thing in the morning. Just get up and do it before you think about it. If you wait all day, you're gonna talk yourself out of it, I promise. I've seen it 100 times. I've even tried to enlist friends and have a workout buddy, and we'd do it in the end of the day when we could do it together, and half the time it still didn't work because one of us would just slack. So that's my biggest tip for working out. And number 3 also is just get moving everywhere you can. Even if you're not great on the exercise, try to get the 10,000 steps a day. Go for a walk after your dinner, take the stairs instead of the elevator, park in the back of the parking lot and make yourself walk further. I've been doing this for years, and it's really helped me just by getting in some extra steps and movement. Also, again, just be sure to check out KaChava. They are amazing, and I know you're gonna love it. And this is again what it looks like. It's really delicious and creamy. Just add 2 cups to 14 ounces of water. Super, super easy, takes seconds to do, and it replaces a whole meal for you. KaChava keeps you full for hours too, so it makes a really great breakfast. I love it for breakfast, but you can use it any time of the day. It helps control cravings. It's only 250 calories, and it's going to help you keep control of your diet as well. I absolutely have loved using it. You can visit them at KaChava.com and everyone gets $10 off their first order. Again, it's available in chocolate or vanilla, so be sure to check them out. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, guys.